Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sketchbook how to crop. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To crop an image in the Sketchbook app, what you need to do is head over and then open up your Sketchbook. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on this icon right here. Then among the options, select selection. Then once you are here, tap on this magic wand icon right here, then select it to rectangle. Now all you gotta do is drag the area that you want to crop, and then all you gotta do now is just simply select or tap right here, and then the selection is inverted. Now all you gotta do is tap on delete. Now tap on done to apply the crop. Then you can also use resize the canvas as well. So simply tap on this three dot icon. Then here what you need to do is tap on preferences. Now here scroll down and then adjust the dimensions of the canvas and then tap on OK. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.